Hello there, everyone. Uh, Welcome to a new year, 2020. So, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to write a program that will ask a string from the user, and then our program will reverse the string using Java as our programming languages, as our programming language rather. I would like to say thank you very much for my subscriber, and then to my new subscriber. We are gradually growing, even though it is quite slow, but I'm very happy that our video is already noticed by several viewers in YouTube. So thank you very much for the support. So before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming computer programming tutorials. So let's get started. So I am here in my text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code that can be downloaded freely from the internet. So the first thing that I will do is to write this code: import for Java dot util asterisk for our scanner, input output scanner. So we have here class reverse string, begin public static void main string args. String original reverse equals space string variable declaration. We have here scanner input equals new scanner system dot in semicolon. So we can have a title of our program: system out point print line backslash t reverse a string in Java. This will be the title of our program. Copy paste. What I will do is to have a new line, copy paste, give a string to reverse. Okay, so original equals input dot next line int length equals original length for int I equals length minus 1 I greater than or equal to 0 semicolon I minus minus begin reverse equals reverse plus original char 80 character. So copy the reverse string is reverse system out point print end of program. Okay, so after we have done the next thing that we will do, so save our work. So when we save reverse string, we select Java. Okay, so here before we run now, so we have here the title of our program, and then this portion of our code will ask the user to give a string. So here in this portion we are we are using looping statement to reverse the arrangement of the string and then display the result and then end of the program. Okay, after we have done, we go there, check our file. So reverse string.java, so we have to compile now. So issue command java reverse string. Do not forget to write the extension .java. Not found. What happened? Okay, the spelling. Reserve should be reverse string .java. There is an error expected semicolon. Mana greater than 0. Let's check the code. Let's check the code. File again. Wait. Java reverse string. Three errors. Int I. Unexpected. Okay, sorry. Hmm. Okay, so after we compile successfully, we run the program. Okay, let us do it again. Okay, so we run again the code, compile again. Okay, so we can have here computer. I think I have to remove this one so it loops. Okay, end of the program. Computer. Okay, so we got it right now. So after a very long debugging, most of the time typographical typing error, so we got the right result already, guys. So reverse a string in Java, so give a string to reverse. I type computer. The reverse string is ret tok mok. So it is already reversed by our program. So that's it, guys. When we are writing a program, especially this kind of program, we are expecting some bugs along the way, typing errors, commands, but nevertheless, one of the things that I'm always giving advice to my fellow programmers: never give up, bugs can be fixed. So before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental says, until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.